Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sankara. On 24/7/2023, two judges bench, Honorable Justice D.V.S.S. Somayajulu and V. Srinivas of AP High Court at Amaravati clearly held that the magistrate committed a serious wrong. Third, CMM, Chief Metropolitan, Vijayawada committed a serious wrong. And they also held that the infirmities in remand report affecting the constitutional safeguards, they cannot be cured subsequently. If there are defects, if there are deficiencies, if there are infirmities in the remand report, the two why a person should be produced within 24 hours is a constitutional safeguard, Article 22 of the Constitution of India. If you deprive the same, subsequently it cannot be cured. This is what is stated by two judges bench in the case of Dr. K.Naramada versus State of Andhra Pradesh. Actually it's a habeas corpus case in WP number 8965 by 2023, and ultimately the Honorable Court granted interim bail to the accused person. Actually, this has come in the press long back, but the judgment I am not able to get. Very recently, the judgment has been published, therefore I am making this video. You can read the case as Dr. K.Naramada versus State of AP. Right. Here, at the outset, already I told you, the magistrate committed a serious error in granting remand. So what are the issues? Why this thing happened? Let us discuss. You may be knowing, lot of raids were conducted on Margadarsi offices belonging to Inadu Ramojirao. And on 29th March, please remember, on 29th March, at about 6 a.m., Mr. Shravan Kumar, an auditor connected to Margadarsi chit funds, he was taken into custody by the CID police from his house. This happened on 29/3/2023. Right. The police took him. Of course, they interrogated him. They have recorded statement or they have prepared the Panchnama. Ultimately, produced him on the next day, that is on 30/3/2023. Fine, 24 hours. But here the important point is, the case against him is under AP Protection of Depositors of Financial Establishments Act 1999, as well as Section 76 and 79 of the Chit Funds Act. Who is competent to grant judicial remand in this special act, AP Protection of Depositors Act? Only the special judge, particularly of the cadre of a district judge, is competent to grant remand, but not the magistrate. Even though the CID sleuths arrested Mr. Shravan Kumar in crime number 2/23 under AP Protection of Depositors Act as well as Chit Funds Act and produced him before 3rd MM Vijayawada, Additional Metropolitan Magistrate Vijayawada. And she mechanically granted remand. That's one point. Actually, he has to be produced before the district judge because a special court is there. Right. Second point. It was noted that he was produced before the magistrate on 30/3/2023 at 6:30 p.m. Means he was arrested on 29/3 on the previous day at 6 a.m. Produced at 6:30 p.m. That means there is a gap of 12 hours. Of course, if it is a transit period, she could have allowed. But ultimately, it came to light that she has noted 6:30 p.m. by mistake. Actually, he was produced at 6:30 a.m. So, human error, they say, but court said it is nothing but lack of attention. Because the judicial remand can be given only by a district judge. And this writing at 6:30 p.m. instead of 6:30 a.m., it shows her lack of attention. So, when the remand is mechanically granted, definitely, basing on the famous case of Gautam Navalakha versus Union of India, NIA, Gautam Navalakha versus National Investigation Agency 2021. The Supreme Court said if the orders of remand are mechanically passed, yes, you have got a right to file a writ of habeas corpus, right? So ultimately, since he is an auditor, since he is a professional, since there is no flight risk, this Raman Kumar was granted interim bail with 50,000 surety amount with 2 sureties or Jamindar Nandagaru. Anyway, the matter ended there. Here, what you have to know is, even though you are a magistrate, you have to know the law. You have to know where he has to produce the basic line. So now, can you get him back? It's not possible. It's a judicial error. Maybe a human error, but of course, what action will be taken, we don't know. But here we have to know that even the magistrates are also doing some mistakes which have to be rectified. So please read the case law and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.